Good day everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to demonstrate on how to wire up the Ethernet plugs. Okay, so we have here crimping tool, RJ45, the jackets, and we have the wires. Okay, so here we go.
Okay, first let's take off the cover of this cable wire, and in doing this we must be very careful because these tiny wires inside is very sensitive and get easily damaged. Okay, next let's arrange these wires according to their colors. Okay, first green and white, green, orange and white, blue, blue and white, orange, brown and white, and brown. And after putting the wires into the RJ45, we need to lock this off using the crimping tool, and making sure to lock this very tight. This is very important. And last thing, put the RJ45 jacket on, and project done. Thank you so much, and